Namaste and welcome everyone from the beloved Jyotish community. It's such an honor and pleasure to be here with you today to discuss the very exciting Maharishi Parashara conference, which is November 21st to the 25th of this year, hosted on Zoom. It's particularly an honor and pleasure for me today to be with my beloved student and close friend, Bhavani Dasi, who's going to be discussing her very exciting lecture this year of the Parashara conference on romantic and business-related synastry. Namaste, Bhavani ji.
Namaste, Kṣaṇāti. I'm so excited to be here on the Kṣaṇāti Jyotish channel, and so even more excited that I'll be teaching a 1-hour lecture this year at the Parashara Conference 2024 in November. And I've been studying under you now for a few years, and I'm just so honored and humbled that I have a spot for my 1-hour lecture. And without further ado, I want to share my screen with you, let you know some presentation points that I put together.
Perfect.
All right, are you with me?
I'm with you.
Okay, so I am going to be doing a 1-hour lecture at this year's Parashara conference in November 2024. My lecture is going to be on romantic partnerships and business coworker relationships. And so don't forget to reserve your spot now. And seats are limited. So it's going to be November 22nd, Friday, 8:30 in the morning to 9:30 in the morning. And that's going to be via Zoom. And so you can be in the comfort of your own home or wherever you're at, and you can listen to my lecture. Please go to Parashara Conference 2020, parasharaconference.com, and then check out the scheduling for the 2024, all the lectures. I'm so honored to be on the spot with some other amazing titles that are going to be there. Sanjay Roth, Sam Jeppy, just to name a couple. I'm so thrilled to be part of the lineup. Kṣaṇāti, thank you so much. And then, so a preview to my lecture for the Parashara Conference 2024, I'm going to be focusing 1 hour, and the presentation is going to be on romantic and business synastry. So the primary criteria for my romantic synastry will be focused on moon placements, also Venus, Jupiter, Mars. I will also be looking at houses 1, 5, 7, and 8 for those synastry charts in romantic partnerships. I'll be looking at case studies for romantic synastry. I'm going to be looking at Jay-Z and Beyonce, who have been married for some time now, Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce, who are a newfound romantic love. And then also I'm going to be doing a surprise couple. So you must get your ticket to know who the surprise couple will be. And then my primary criteria for business synastry, I will be focusing on planets Saturn, Venus, Mercury, as well as looking into houses 1, 2, 7, and 10. The case studies for my business synastry will include Donald Trump and his new vice, J.D. Vance. I'll also be looking at Elon Musk and the Tesla stock, and then another surprise business partnership as well. And then, so I just want to say namaste. Thank you for your support. Again, Bhavani Vedic Astrology, BhavaniVedicAstrology.com is my new website that just got refurbished. And you can check out the classes at the parasharaconference.com and look at the 2024 lineup and all the amazing teachers that are going to be lecturing there. And again, my class is Friday the 22nd at 8:30 a.m. You can find me on Facebook and YouTube. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, Bhavani Vedic Astrology. And you can email me at BhavaniVedicAstrology@gmail.com. You can also text me at 702-308-6944 if you're interested in a private consultation.
Perfect. Thank you so much for sharing that. We're so excited to be having you at the conference this year. This is a very exciting and juicy topic because, we all find ourselves in business relationships and romantic relationships. And we're always wondering, well, what kind of methods, if we're self-students of astrology, can we kind of use to help determine what might be a healthy romantic relationship? What might be a healthy business relationship? And one of the things that I wanted to say is that it's not always best, even if we're students of Jyotish, to be able to do this kind of stuff on our own, because I like to say that we might be having rose-colored glasses on, which means we might not be able to perceive this kind of thing accurately. So, I mean, this is a great opportunity to, if you're working on a business relationship or you're working on a romantic relationship. Bhavani Dasi is currently doing consultations, and she just relaunched her beautiful website, and she's very affordable. So, I mean, I can't recommend enough to check out Bhavani Vedic Astrology and get yourself a reading, even if it's just a general Jyotish consultation on Dharma or understanding different karmas. But her specialty area, which she'll be presenting on in this conference, is these kind of synastry relationships. So I can't recommend her highly enough. And I'm so excited for your lecture this year. And I'm such an honor and pleasure to have you as my student. And thank you for taking the time to preview your lecture for this year's conference, Bhavani ji.
Well, Kṣaṇāti, thank you so much again for having me here and giving me the opportunity to share my knowledge and my research. And I'm so looking forward to this year's conference. And, again, like you said, you know, when we get involved in relationships, sometimes, we have these rose-colored glasses on and, looking to astrologers and Vedic astrologers, for a little support to see if relationships will last and if it's going to be long-term committed relationship or short-term, flings, and as well as business partnership relationships. People want to go into business with each other, and are they going to make money together? Or is their business going to fail? So these are some things that I have some insights on that I can't wait to share with everybody.
All right, wonderful. Many blessings to the Jyotish community. Hari Om, Om Namah Shivaya.
Namaste.